we need to finish the rest of this lesson. There's only three more problems to talk about. So, what you have to do is you need to graph the line that satisfies these conditions. So the first thing is that it's going through this point, and it has a slope of 4. So you need to graph that line. I would start where it tells you to start. So I would go over 6. So you have to go positive 6, up 2. So that's your point. Everybody needs to be putting this on their graph. So go over 6 and up 2. Now, the slope is 4. So if we're using rise and run, the rise is 4 and the run is what? 1. So go up 4 over 1. But is this a positive or a negative? Positive. It's positive slope. So it needs to be increasing from left to right. It needs to look like this. So you go up 4 over 1. Okay, now, I also want to go down 4 over 1. Just so I can go in both directions. Then connect your dots. Don't forget your arrows, because the line goes on forever. Down 4 over 1. But why did I go down or up 4? Because that's your rise. That's right here. Your slope is 4. Now, if there's not a fraction, then you can always put 1 in the denominator. So you have 4 divided by 1, which is the same thing as 4. Okay? Let's go on to number 5. Here's the problem with number 5. You have a line AG. Your task is to draw another line that goes through this point, but is perpendicular to AG. So my first thing I would do, let's plot line AG. So go over negative 5 and up 6. So this is A. If you know what the point is called, go ahead and label it. So go over negative 5 and up 6. And then G is negative 1, negative 2. So this is G. Okay, draw your line. What's the slope of line AG? Okay, let me break it down even further. Yes. What is the rise of AG? Tell me that. Can y'all count the boxes from A to G? 8. Is it positive or negative? What's the slope? Is it positive or negative? It's a negative. So you have negative 8, but you still have to put your run. So the run is side to side. How many boxes am I running to go to the next dot? Well, if you start here, and I need to get to this line, how many are there? 4. So what can I simplify this to be? Negative 2. Okay, now that you have your slope of this line, you need to plot point H. So go ahead and plot H. Now, we don't know the other point, but can't I use this slope to tell me where to go to plot the extra points? So if this is negative 2, you could use negative 2 over what? Negative 2, 1, as if this is the rise and this is the run. Oh, wait. Wait. What kind of line are we drawing? Perpendicular, which means I have to take the opposite reciprocal of this slope. So tell me, what is negative 2 divided by 1 when I flip it? Negative 1 divided, but it's positive. Because it was negative, so now it's positive. So I flipped it. Was 2 divided by 1. Now it's 1 divided by 2. Was a negative. Now it's a positive. So you can go down 1 over 2. Now I'm going this way because I want to run into this line. I want to show that they're perpendicular. So then I go down 1, left 2, because I'm trying to get to this other line. Once you get there, connect your dots. Okay, I want you to try 6. What's the only thing that's different about 6? It's what? Parallel. That's the only difference. Try 6. It was this one right here with the grin on her face. Everybody do 6. Go ahead and plot the line that you know. Yes, sir. I would plot these two first because that's the actual line. These two. I would plot line LB first because that's what you know. Then find the slope. If they're parallel, what kind of slope are they going to have? The same. What was the slope of line LB? Huh? You got what? 3/5. 1, 2, 3. That was your rise. Your run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. So now I'm going to plot point C because that's part of the other line. So I'm going to go negative 2 up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's C. But I want another point so I can actually make a line. Well, it's parallel to LB, so it's going to use the same slope. So I'm going to go up 3 and over 5. And then we don't know what that point is called, so you don't have to label it. There you go. All right, you have 11 minutes. So if you flip to the back, you need to do 2, 3, 14 evens only. 2, 3, 14. Now, right here on 8 and 10, it says to graph each line to verify your answer. You don't have to graph on 8 and 10, but you do have to graph 12 and 14. Okay? So you can cross out where it says graph. You don't have to graph. Just tell me if these are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Remember yesterday how we found the slope of these two and the slope of these two?